this lesson, we are going to add another cool element, the dual button. So you click on this one here. This is where you add dual buttons for your site. You can choose to put the link for the first one, the primary, like sign up now. If I can spell sign up, there we go. Sign up now, or whatever you want it to say. You want it to be smooth. You can change the offset. We'll get to that in a second. And then the secondary button, you can put learn more. And you can add images to it too. And as I mentioned before, I want this to be an interactive session. So when you see me doing something here, I want you to do, like, I'm not adding the image right now because I want you to add it. This is part of you learning and exploring all that you can do with this. But let's take a look here at the link. When you click on this, you can choose the option to open in a new window or to add no follow. No follow meaning that the SEO, the robots won't really follow that link or really get it indexed. So it's a really simple and straightforward. You can go to the styles, you can go to the common, you can go to the primary to change how that looks. You go to the common, you can choose the vertical, horizontal, you choose the alignment in the middle. You choose the typography, you go to the connector, and feel free to click around for the or. You can change what color that is. And then you can choose the size of it. Is it really big? Is it too small? That's just right. And then you go to the secondary and you can choose the colors for the secondary color. And then the icon color. You can choose, you just have fun and click around. You know, sometimes that's the best way you figure out. Sometimes you accidentally find new ways to do things just by clicking around. But that is how you add the buttons on your site. It's really simple and very, very straightforward. For the connectors, if you want it to be or you can have versus, whatever you want it to be here. So feel free and have fun.